Even the smallest things can hold light. In every stitch, every pull of the yarn, a flower slowly comes to life. Today, we'll turn this quiet magic into something you can wear, a pair of delicate, hand-crocheted daisy earrings. Grab your hook, take a deep breath, and let's begin this gentle creation together. We'll be using a 2.0 millimeters crochet hook for this project. First, take out your yellow yarn to crochet the flower center. Chain 1. Work 5 single crochets into the magic ring. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue crocheting the remaining 4 single crochets. Pull the ring tight. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Chain 1. In the second round, work 5 increases, 2 single crochets in each stitch. Place a stitch marker. This completes one set. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Pull up the loop and fasten off. Bring the yarn tail to the back and weave in the ends. Your daisy center is now complete. Now, take out your white yarn. Insert your hook into any stitch. Chain 5. Yarn over 3 times, and in the same stitch, work 1 triple treble crochet, a 3 wrap tall stitch. Weave in the yarn tail as you go. Pull through loops 2 at a time, for a total of 4 times. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern for a total of 10 petals. slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Pull up the loop, fasten off, and weave in all ends. You'll need 2 flowers in total. Open a jump ring. Attach the flower to the earring finding. And there you have it, a pair of handmade crochet daisy earrings, made just for you. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope these little daisies bring a touch of spring and happiness to your everyday life. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.